Hello guys, welcome to my channel at EODigiStore. Here I share with you what works and how to do it, tech tricks and tips. Remember to like, share and subscribe to this channel to stay on the loop. Today I want to share with you hot website where you can download PC games for free. Nobody's charging you a dime. Just go to the website, download PC games. As you can see, the name of the website is here, 4fnet 4fnet.org. Okay, just open your browser, type in 4fnet.org, then boom guys, it loads up. Here you can download flying games, action games, sport, racing, puzzle, arcade, any kind of game and simulations you want. Just download for free for your PC. You can see we have Crisis 2, we have Drift, we have Drift 21, lots and lots and lots of games guys. Remember to like, share and subscribe to this channel. Alright, I share updates on a daily basis. Alright, thanks guys for watching. Alright, guys.